Right, day one of a way. Ish. So I've only done really, I've just sort of made a plan. Normally with these small tiles, you can be forever making little plans and not forever, but quite some time. And I want to get the job right, but I'm butting again, aren't I? Yet I've managed to make a start, and I put about I've done half bit round the window, so that's good. I've done a dodgy bit ready for tomorrow, so I can crack on with the rest of a full wall tomorrow. I'm good. We're good. Wow. Are we going to get out? Of course we are. Here we go. Go pick life up now. Yeah, good day. I was going to say cracking Monday, but it's Tuesday, isn't it? I think when I get MOT done, I'll get a look at my seatbelt. Awesome cat. Thomas and Kiat. I'm not doing a good job of this talking to you off my own, am I? Really? Need to book my ideas up. All be marketing, even when you're tired, especially when you're tired. I could actually rest today and not train. Still I feel like I get coffee inside. That day of fasting yesterday's actually done me good. Yeah. Saying actually don't like it, very quick. Really quick. Oh, I like about 8 carbs though.